Welcome back, everyone. Time now for Great Day Law. Every month, we like to check in with our good friend, lawyer Twillie, a.k.a. Lawyer the Lawyer. This is when you get some free legal advice.
Yes, and today's topic is very timely because summer's in full swing, and with that can come an uptick in accidents, unfortunately.
Yeah, thank you for being here, lawyer.
Thank you for having me, Kara.
You know, we talk about with teens it being the 100 deadliest days, but I didn't realize that I guess many people get into accidents or other legal troubles during the 4th of July weekend.
Yeah, I mean, listen, it's warm, there's good music, there's parties, it's 4th of July, there's oftentimes alcohol involved.
School's out.
School is out, so things happen. And you just have to be very, very careful and sort of prepare for it, you know, and that's what I've been urging people to do through social media and through opportunities to meet with you two like this. So
yeah, so make sure that you're aware that it is a little bit dangerous and get a safe ride.
Yeah, what are some of the most common accidents that you see around this time?
You know, we see a lot of motorcycle accidents. We see people out on their bikes more, and because they're make such a smaller footprint. When you're driving and you're checking your mirrors, sometimes your brain is tricked into just sort of looking for cars, and you may not see that motorcycle that's coming up. And so just checking those mirrors twice, maybe even a third time to make sure. But you know, we do more than just accidents at our firm. You know, we recently hired a former prosecuting attorney that does criminal defense work. So people are also getting arrested for alcohol-related things, driving under the influence, you know, so you just have to sort of be prepared for those sorts of things to occur.
Now, you also said that sometimes people are so busy celebrating that they might not call a lawyer, and a big question that we get sometimes is, you know, you realize later, like, oh, this isn't working for me, I probably should have gotten a lawyer. When is it too late to call? I
mean, technically it's never too late, but certainly within a week.
A week, okay.
Yeah, certainly
so
within
even
a
if you
week
didn't do it the first 24, 48 hours, you thought you were okay, or that everything was going to be fine, they were going to be nice, you were going to be nice.
Correct, that's the part.
Well, that's the thing.
You're going to be nice, I'm going to be nice.
Everyone's good, and then the insurance companies get involved, and sometimes, even if it's a friend or someone who seems like they're going to be nice, you need to have someone protect your rights.
Yeah, that just happened to us yesterday. Tractor trailer's making a right-hand turn. It's a 2 right-hand turn lanes. Tractor trailer admitted fault at the scene, but then the insurance company got involved, and now they're denying the claim. So it gets messy like that, despite the fact that they're admissions. So, you know, everybody wants to play nice in the sandbox, but it doesn't always happen that way.
And unfortunately, you can't take anyone's word. You know, it's like, gone are the days on a handshake and a word.
You can take my word.
We can take your word. Well, you have to, And also, you know the ins and outs of what's going on, what could be at stake, what's not at stake. So many people, I think they feel confident, like, I can figure it out.
Right.
But it's way over most people's heads, right?
Yeah, listen, if you spend enough time learning how to do this, you could do it, right? But
you used to work for an insurance company.
Correct. I used to work for an insurance company. I know sort of the behind-the-scenes playbook that they use. If you don't do this every day, don't try and just jump in, and you're going to get overmatched.
Yeah. We only have a final minute, but also when you're sitting at home going, well, that sounds nice, but I can't afford you, it's free to call, free for representation unless you win something.
Correct. So we do free consultations, and if we can't help you, we'll try and get you in the hands of somebody that can. And the work we do, we work on a contingency fee basis, which means that we don't get paid unless we're able to help you recover money for your injuries, unless you win. So there's no reason why you should hesitate to reach out.
Thanks, lawyer. Lawyer
Thanks for having
me. We love
Thank
your mom
you.
on TV, too. Say hi to your mom out there.
And happy 4th. Have a safe 4th.
To get in touch with Lawyer Twillie, send him an email at lawyer@lalawct.com or give him a call. You can send him a text to 860-595-3163. Also find him at Lawyer the Lawyer on all the social media platforms. Nicole, thanks for being here for Scott.
Right, thank you. I'll join you back here tomorrow. I think Scott's off again. You can tease him.
Yeah, have a great day. And Eyewitnesses at 4 starts right now.